Video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to import JSON file in Python programming language. So here I'm going to show the file that I'm going to import. So here you can see employees. So this is the employees and this is the records inside the employees table. So this I'm going to import inside the Python or VS Code by the help of Python codes. Okay. So first here, let's write import and importing JSON file, so that we need to write JSON. Then after here with then use here open, and or this place you need to give the path of the file. So here you can see this is the message that's or displaying file, and file description path you need to include there. So here this file that I'm going to import, so right click there, then here go to properties, and you can see this is the JSON files, and there is another option file, then here copy as path. So Windows 11 has these features, you can directly use that. Thereafter paste inside there, so you can see directly that's double quote also included. After that here you can write as, and here going to write file and colon. Now the next is thereafter use here data equal to JSON, and inside use here load. So here you can see different methods, so going to use here load and loading. Go this place you can see FP supported TS files you need to write here, so including the file, and this is the codes. Now if I Control S to save, so here you can see this is the run start debugging and Python files. So currently it's running, and there is a problem with the codes compiler has some issue on the path. So for better practice you need to give here at the rate, sorry, or you need to include, then you cannot get this kind of error again. So here click on this start debugging. So this time there is no any problem with the codes. Now the next is after that going to print the data. So for this we need to use here print method, and inside there write data. Then after doing this, now run start debugging, and now you can see this data that's come there. So whatever the records data inside the file, that comes there. So this is how we can import the file JSON files inside the by the help of Python codes inside VS Visual Studio Code. Okay, so only 4 lines of code. First you need to import JSON, then with open, and with open you need to give the path, so as file, and this is the data just load. So what load? File that load, and after that whatever the things that's come there, that is stored into data, and if you print the data then you can get this records inside there. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over, so thanks for watching, see you next. Thank you.